Hello lovies! Good morning! Welcome to my channel, Loves You, signing in. Today's episode, ang gagawin ko is magluluto ako ng creamy spaghetti. As you can see here, I have here Fiesta Filipino style pasta. Ito nang binili ko kasi 2-in-1 na siya. Party size for only 109 pesos. Bubuksan natin. Meron na siyang 800 gram. This is 800 gram pasta, spaghetti pasta, and a 900 gram Filipino with banana ketchup spaghetti sauce. O diba? Tipid na siya. For only 109 pesos, nakaka 2-in-1 ka na. Meron din akong spaghetti met sauce, banana ketchup, Nestle cream, condensada, and of course, the cheese. And also, I have this for spaghetti to be meatier and creamier. So, what we're going to do is, let's boil first this one to make it al dente. It's only about 8 minutes. Do not overcook, okay? So, let's start. I have here cups of water. Then, what you're going to do is just add a little bit of salt para magiging yummy, tasty naman ang pasta na iboboil natin dyan. And add some oil para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. And let's bring that to boil. The water is boiling already. So what we're going to do is add the pasta. But of course, constantly and lower the fire first so that you can add all the pastas. And I already cut it into a half, so that it would be easier for me, for everybody to eat this, not a long pasta. This is a 800 gram pasta. I'll just make sure it's already done. Then I have to stir it. You have to stir it constantly so that it will not stick into the pan. When you are sure that all pastas are mixed up, the water and not sticking to each other, we'll wait again for 8 minutes so that it will just only cook al dente and not overcooked. Okay, and let's just wait. And while waiting for that, let's slice first the ingredients for our spaghetti sauce. I already chopped my onion and garlic, cheese, open a can of condensed milk, Nestle cream, spaghetti sauce, and the ketchup. And also here, the ground pork is ready. So, let's go. This we're going to heat this pan for our spaghetti sauce. When it's hot, we're going to put a little bit of oil. Put this chopped garlic and onion and stir so that it will not be burned. After that, we're going to add our ground pork meat. And stir constantly. Then, we're going to add some water. We're going to add some water so that the pork meat will be cooked. Now let's just wait until the pork meat is cooked to add our spaghetti sauce. The pork meat is already cooked, so time to put our spaghetti sauce. So before we put the spaghetti sauce, guys, make sure to check first the expiration dates. Spaghetti sauce in a can with meat, spaghetti meat sauce with sausage, then stir so that where the pork meat is already mixed with the spaghetti sauce. Next is we're going to put the Fiesta Filipino style spaghetti sauce again with banana ketchup. This is a big movie. Spaghetti sauce. Then spaghetti meat sauce is added, spaghetti sauce with banana ketchup is added, then again mix them all. Make sure you mix them all. Just mix them all and bring them to boil so that they will be cooked. Mix properly, and I also have to add this UFC ketchup again. Ketchup, because our pasta is 800 gram. The sauce is not enough if only we add the spaghetti sauce and the pork, so I need to add this ketchup. One bottle of banana ketchup. Then mix them again. After putting banana ketchup, adding banana ketchup, we're going to mix them again. And just leave them for a while to boil to make sure it's already cooked. Loves, just a reminder, if you cook foods, make sure you wash your hands, the area is clean to avoid poisoning. Especially this pandemic, we need to make extra careful, especially when cooking food, preparing foods. Make sure that we are clean, that we wash our hands, and the area is clean, and the food is very sure it is cooked. Just make it, let's just bring this to boil for a minute. Now our spaghetti sauce and with cheese is already boiling. I'm very sure it's already cooked. I have to add now our pasta. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! The pasta is already drained We're going to mix it with the spaghetti sauce while the heat is low to avoid it from getting overcooked. I just like pasta with an al dente, not overcooked. And meatier, as you can see, guys. As you can see, lovies, it's meatier. You can see the ground pork meat, the sausage. Let's just mix it all until it is totally mixed, until they love each other, they hug each other, they connect with each other. The spaghetti sauce is totally combined with our pasta. While stirring, the heat is on very low. I just want to make sure that it is mixed properly before turning off the fire. So I think it's already mixed and time to off the fire and transfer it for a little while into our Tupperwares. So here we go. Nestle cream. This is 1 box of Nestle cream. And cheese. To make it creamier and tastier. Let's just mix them for a very low fire to avoid it will burn. Then wait until the cheeses totally melt. Then it's ready. Let's just constantly stir them until the cheese is totally melted. Much better if you have cheese slicer so that it's easier to melt when it's very cut into small already. You can see here, guys, lovies, our condensed Nestle cream and cheese are already melting and combined already, and when it's sticky, then it's ready to go. It's okay now. The cheese is already melted, so let's transfer it. Let's put the toppings into our spaghetti, the creamier and yummier, tastier spaghetti. I already transferred the pasta, the spaghetti here in our Tupperware. So what I'm going to do now is to add the toppings. My kids really love these toppings. It's very creamy and tastier. Meaty spaghetti. His voice. He always wants to stay here in us. But I'm busy. But I'm busy now. I can't let her in. You see that, lovies? It really looks yummy and creamier. The toppings is so yummy. So try it at home in your own. I'm sure your kids would love it. So that's it, lovies. It's my specialty, the spaghetti with creamier toppings. Creamy spaghetti. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Loves you.